Hey friends, this is Sean Washburn from YourExcelTutor.com, and you're watching 30 Tips in 30 Days. And today's tip I think is going to blow your mind because most people I've worked with have not did not know about this. And so I'm just going to show you something that will hopefully save you a lot of time and headache. If you ever do anything like entering phone numbers in Excel or lengths of something that's got a unit of measure or even times and things like that, I'm going to show you something that's going to make things really easy for you. So usually if you put in a phone number, it might look like this, where you actually typed in everything that's in here. So the parentheses, the numbers, and all that stuff. In this example, you can see it's just numbers. Same thing down here. You got 5 with inches typed in, but then the formula doesn't work that does the total, whereas over here it works. Same thing over here. I've got minutes, seconds typed in, and here I just have numbers. The way I did all of these is if you right click here and go to Format Cells and go to Custom, and there's a whole set of rules you can use in here. And what's nice is you can basically set up to be however you want. So in this case it's just general. If I click on this cell, go click on this cell and do the same thing, you'll notice that what I did was I basically told it what to do with the numbers that I put in there. So in this case I have parentheses first, and then the numbers, and then parentheses, and then numbers, and then the dash and everything. So I knew what format I wanted it to look like when I put the numbers in. So then when I type in numbers, so if I type in numbers again, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. It comes out like that automatically. Same thing down here. In this case, I'm going to do a shortcut Control 1, gets you the formatting here. It's going to come up and you can see I've got the number and then I've got inches already in there. So what it lets me do is it looks like a number anyway without the inches, so I can use that in calculations like this without having any issues. And also when I type something in like 27, it automatically is going to put the inches in there for me because I have that part of the format. Same thing over here with minutes and seconds, so maybe you're taking times of something. Here you can put it in manually, but here what I did, same thing. I came in and I have number, and I've got the minute, I've got number, second, and you can notice that even if it's 10 minutes or 2, whatever, double digits or single, it doesn't matter, as long as the seconds are written in as double digits. So if it's like 3 seconds, I'd have to go 203, but it's still going to recognize it. It's going to start on the right and move its way over. So this is one that I thought was awesome and has saved me a lot of time, especially if you're putting in phone numbers. That can be a hassle. And plus it makes sure everything shows up exactly the same way and you can access those numbers later. So yeah, sorry this one's a little longer, but I think this is such an important tip and I think it could really help you with whatever kind of data you're putting into your spreadsheet. So thanks for watching and hope you check in tomorrow for another tip.